So some people that are okay with falling asleep but have difficulty staying asleep, one reason may be, your environment. How, like, are you sleeping with other people or sleeping with pets? I sleep with a dog, and that definitely doesn't help me, get always restful sleep sometimes, like last night when she woke me up at 3 a.m. to go to the bathroom. So, having those factors can definitely influence if you can stay asleep at night. Also, the environment. Is it cool enough? Maybe it's good to invest in some earplugs or eye mask. If you don't have blackout curtains, that can be very helpful. Or if you live in a city that's really noisy, all those sounds kind of can get you, wake you up. Another thing you can do to help you stay asleep is to do some sort of relaxation meditation. Recently, I've been doing that, and actually it's been very helpful to kind of calm the mind, get over the day's event, and be able to sleep soundly so you're not thinking about so much at night. Another tip may be drinking some calming tea, chamomile, if you like lavender. I have like a calming tea that I have at home. Unless you go to the bathroom a lot at night, you can drink that before bed to help you stay asleep at night. So, a couple of tips. Sleep environment's obviously important. Maybe earplugs, eye mask can help. Keeping the room cool, doing some relaxation meditation before you go to bed, or read a book. For some people that's helpful, but definitely avoiding any kind of blue light too can help you stay asleep longer. So I hope that's helpful for you.